Hello viewers, myself is Dr. Vakiraj B. Tango, Assistant Professor, Sri Jagadguru Tondagaria Government First Year College, Mundarbi. This video, it will be the series of entropy in a thermodynamics. Among that, this is first video, so entropy 1. In this video, I am concentrating on the concept of entropy, change in entropy, and objectives of this session is to know the concept of entropy, to understand the meaning of entropy, importance of the entropy and second law of thermodynamics, entropy and first law of thermodynamics, and mixing of both the laws. Session outcomes are knowledge of entropy, understanding of entropy with second law, idea about second law of thermodynamics, combining second and first law equation. Prerequisites are concept about first law of thermodynamics, idea about second law of thermodynamics, and few basics of entropy. Syllabus of this entropy chapter is concept of entropy, change in entropy in reversible and irreversible process, entropy temperature diagram, second law of thermodynamics. Contents are concept of entropy, change of entropy and second law of thermodynamics. Entropy. Entropy is a thermodynamic property that is a measure of the energy not available for useful work in a thermodynamic process. The concept of entropy, literally meaning is transformation, was firstly introduced by Clausius in the year 1854 while working on the formulation and application of the second law of thermodynamics. Entropy can be defined as thermodynamic property of a working substance which remains constant during an adiabatic process when no energy is given to or removal from it. Entropy can also be defined as it measures degree of disorderness. Consider number of isothermals I1, I2, I3, etc. at temperatures T1, T2, T3, etc. on an indicator diagram. Let A1 and A2 be are the two adiabatics which intersects these isothermals in point A and B, C and D, E and F, etc. Then all along the adiabatics A1 and A2 there is a change in volume and temperature with a change in pressure. Let A, B, C, D and D, C, E, F represent the Carnot's reversible cycle. So change in the entropy. In a PV diagram, it represents here A1 and A2, these are the two adiabatics. I1, I2, I3, these are the three isothermals. A, B, C, D, A, one Carnot cycle. Similarly, B, C, E, F, D, another Carnot cycle. Take the heat to temperature ratio in a cycle A, B, C, D, A. Heat absorbed is Q1 at a temperature T1. Heat rejected is Q2. Temperature at T2 is given by Q1 upon T1 is equal to Q2 upon T2. Next, we should take the cycle D, C, E, F, D. Amount of heat energy is absorbed is Q2 at temperature is T2, while amount of heat is rejected at Q3 at temperature is T3 is given by Q2 upon T2 and Q3 upon T3. Since it is a thermodynamical equilibrium condition, therefore equating these two equations we get Q1 upon T1 is equal to Q2 upon T2 is equal to Q3 upon T3. Therefore, the ratio change in heat to the temperature is constant. That parameter is called change in entropy ds. Therefore, entropy is ds is dq upon g, or it is also called dh upon t. Therefore, change in entropy is the ratio of change in heat to its temperature is also called entropy. Second law of thermodynamics. Every physical or chemical process in nature takes place in such a manner that the total entropy increases. The mathematical form of second law of thermodynamics is given by S2 minus S1 is ds is equal to dq upon t, or dq is equal to t ds. From the second law of thermodynamics, ds is equal to dh upon t, or dh is equal to t ds. We know first law of thermodynamics, quantity of heat supplied to a system, it is used to increase the internal energy and to do the external work. That is, dH is equal to du plus dw, or dH is equal to du. Work done dw is given by pdv, therefore it is plus pdv, or rewritten as du is equal to dH minus pdv. Substituting this first law in second law equation, we got du is equal to Tds minus Pdv. This is mixing of first and second law of thermodynamics. Significance of entropy. Just like temperature remains constant in an isothermal process, the entropy remains constant in an adiabatic process. It is a definite single-valued function of the thermodynamic variables describing the state of a working substance. In every natural process, that is irreversible process, there is always an increase in entropy. The second law of thermodynamics can be stated in terms of entropy of a system. Significance of entropy. Due to increase in entropy, unavailable energy decreases. According to Freeman-Dyson, the entropy is a measure of disorderness. This disorderness can be evaluated by using the relation S is equal to K into log W, where K is Boltzmann's constant and W is disorderness parameter. This is known as Boltzmann entropy relation. Thank you one and all for your patience. Thank you.